Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you create Obama here in Infinite Craft? It's going to be really quick. First, you're going to need water, fire, volcano, Hawaii, island, intercontinent, lake, and there you have it. The former president of the United States of America, President Barack Obama. Now, I really love this game because it's really, your imagination is the limit, basically. I've been playing this for a while now with a friend of mine, and we've been trying to, there's actually challenges on YouTube where they've been trying to break the system and try to exaggerate this platform and see how far it could stretch, how far it could go. But the point here is it's really fun. So if there's anything that I could say about this game, if I were to rate this, it's probably a 9 out of 10. Anyways, that's just it for this video, guys, and thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.